Darren has made that shit.
Break it, nigga.